Welcome to the American Dream, Selling Louisiana. I'm your host, Crystal Bonin. Join us today as we unveil the layers of family, love, and culinary delight that has found a new home right here in St. Francisville. Join us as we step inside Basel's market and uncover the faces, flavors, and stories that make this place a true beacon of the American dream. So we are here at Basel Market with Kalyn Anderson, and congratulations, the new location is beautiful.
Thank you.
And she's super busy over here. You're gonna see all the patrons walking behind us. But so did your husband have part to do with this renovation of the building for you?
He did. He actually built the entire kitchen and the entire market room. So it was just a barber shop in the beginning, and then we added on the back end. So we could have like a little market for accessories and then a whole new kitchen.
Yeah, so let's go back. You started with a food truck.
Yes.
And then you had a location on Highland.
Yes.
And then now you're here for this
now
new
we're
chapter.
Here. Yes.
Yeah, so you just started with the food truck. Is it because of your family's business that you were interested?
So I was working at NK. One of my girlfriends owns NK, and I was working there, and I was working for my dad also at the grocery, Calvin's, and we started, it was just like an idea, and then we ended up finding a truck on St. Patrick's Day, and I offered the man right there, I was like, can I buy your truck? It was an old handyman truck. It was just like a shell, and I bought it on St. Patrick's Day, I guess, 8 years ago. I mean,
oh, wow.
Yeah, a long time ago, forever ago. And me and my husband, we fixed it up and we made it a food truck. And then we went to Highland, which was so much fun. I couldn't have done the food truck without getting to Highland, but the Highland was great. It was a bunch of LSU students, precious girls that were working with me. They still, like, they were here on opening day. Like, we couldn't.
Oh, really?
Like family. They're like, we could not be here on Basel's opening. I mean, and they left for spring break the next day. Like, truly, they're like, we just wanted to, like,
oh, that's so sweet.
I know, they're the best. And, but the owner, it was just some things changed in Baton Rouge. And I was like, you know what, this was great, but I'm gonna just let it be great. And then we just closed that chapter.
Right, just kind of ended on a good
Yes.
note. And you had your girls.
I had two baby girls at that location. Yes, she just turned 1 and just turned 2.
Okay.
So they're 13 months apart.
Yeah, so now you're like business owner, mom.
Yes.
How's that? I mean, are you balancing it well? I know opening probably is crazy.
I need a straight jacket.
Do we ever balance
I'm
it,
a crazy person right now. No, I mean, I feel like I'm just like a clown. I'm just like juggling things right now, but it'll be good. I just had to get through this opening week and just work out all the kinks, and we're working, and I got a great crew, and we're just one of those things day by day.
Yes, you'll get it. It's gonna be fine.
We
never really get it as moms. You know, we're always
and they're about
busy.
to come here and see. Like, it's been fun to have them come. I'm like, y'all come eat a late lunch. So it's doing good.
Well, congratulations. Well, let's run in and check out the orange juice machine real quick and get us some fresh juice. I would love some. And yeah.
Okay, cool. Let's go.
The decor is amazing. Everything looks good. I love all the gift items. Yes. And then as we're talking about with the freezer, you can just run in and grab something as well.
And that truffle butter is like amazing. There's some at Building 5, the cute restaurant in Baton Rouge.
Right.
Yes, he's precious. He gave me some of his lemonade to smell.
I was going to say, I thought I saw his lemonade
it's really,
out there.
really good. But yeah, there's a little bit of stuff from everywhere. And then I have like little snacks for the girly, like little kids.
And a lot of this would be good souvenirs for people too, because I mean, they do have a lot of tourism in the town.
Yes, and that's why I did those cooler bags, which are really cool.
Great.
Oh, these are great. They're insulated?
Yes, they're insulated bags.
Oh, I like it.
And then and it has a little pocket. You can go bring it to the beach, whatever. You
can put your phone, your keys. I like the size of it too, because a lot of them are just so big.
Yes.
And you're like me, we're not large people, so.
Bag girl. I'm like bag for everything.
Yes. Well, very good. Well, thank you again so much. I see the line is starting to pile up again, but yeah. Thanks for taking time with us today. We know you're busy. Congratulations. And we'll come back another time whenever you're all like established in years and say we did this your opening week.
And I was a crazy person.
Yes. Thanks so much. Come here.
Thank you.
Congratulations. You
Yes,
were
ma'am.
wonderful.
Thank
All
you.
right.
Appreciate it.
From the early beginnings to this wonderful new chapter, Kalyn and her family's journey is the epitome of the American dream. Passion, perseverance, and the power of community support. As we leave Basel Market, we remember that it's beautiful to chase the dream and also a place to call home. I've been your host, Crystal Bonin. If you're in St. Francisville, stop by Basel Market and experience this culinary delight and the flavors for yourself. See you next time as we continue to explore the dreams, the stories of what makes Louisiana an amazing place to live.